Welcome to Vintoro, where innovation meets passion, and every story we tell is designed to take you deeper into the world of machines, speed, and design mastery. Today, we have something extraordinary lined up, a journey that is as much about discovery as it is about performance. But before we dive in, let me ask you this. If you could find a car that looks like it belongs in the future, feels like it was crafted for your lifestyle, and delivers the kind of performance that makes you forget every other ride you've ever had, would you recognize it instantly? Or would you need to see every detail before you could believe it truly exists? Stay with me till the end of this video, because what I'm about to reveal might just change the way you think about modern driving forever. And by the time we finish, you'll know exactly what makes this car stand apart from the crowd in a way that no other in its class can match. The 2023 Chery Omoda 5X is not just a new model in a long list of vehicles, it is a statement. From the very first glance, it communicates something powerful, a vision of where automotive design is heading. You notice the striking silhouette first. A bold, coupe-inspired crossover shape that blends elegance with an athletic stance. The lines are not accidental. Every curve, every angle has been engineered to catch both light and attention. This is a design that refuses to blend into the background. The deep, high-gloss black finish on the bodywork gives it an almost liquid metal appearance, the kind of shine that doesn't just reflect the world around it but reframes it in a new light. From a distance, it commands presence. Up close, it seduces the eye with detail. Walk around to the front, and the futuristic design language becomes even more apparent. The grille is not a simple grid, it's a parametric pattern that flows seamlessly into the bodywork, almost as if it's grown organically from the car itself. Flanking it are slim, aggressive LED headlights that seem to narrow their gaze directly on the road ahead, ready for whatever lies beyond the horizon. The light signature is unique, instantly recognizable even at night, and hints at the advanced technology packed into this machine. Beneath, the sculpted bumper and integrated air intakes give it the kind of purposeful aggression usually reserved for performance sports cars. Moving along the side, the Omoda 5X maintains that futuristic character but adds a sense of motion even while standing still. The high shoulder line, the strong creases, and the gently sloping roofline create a dynamic profile. The blacked-out pillars give the illusion of a floating roof, enhancing the modern aesthetic. The large alloy wheels, finished in a dark metallic tone, fill the arches perfectly, hinting at the capability that lies beneath. The side mirrors, streamlined and aerodynamic, integrate turn indicators seamlessly, and the door handles maintain the clean flow of the body without unnecessary protrusions. At the rear, the story continues with a dramatic wraparound LED tail light design that stretches across the width of the vehicle. The lights are sharp, precise, and bring a high-tech look that matches the front's boldness. The rear bumper incorporates subtle diffuser elements, reinforcing the sporty undertones of the design. Even the badging has been carefully considered, with a minimalistic font that fits perfectly with the car's forward-thinking identity. Open the door, and the experience changes from admiration to immersion. The cabin of the 2023 Chery Omoda 5X is not just an interior, it's a personal space designed for modern living. Soft-touch materials cover most of the surfaces, with contrasting stitching adding a handcrafted feel. The black interior theme is accented, with brushed metal and piano black trims, creating a balance of sportiness and sophistication. Ambient lighting runs through the dashboard and doors, adjustable in color to suit your mood, giving the space a lounge-like atmosphere during night drives. The driver's seat, with its ergonomic design, offers both comfort and control. You feel cradled but never constrained, and with multiple electric adjustments, it's easy to find your perfect driving position. The steering wheel is thick-rimmed, leather-wrapped, and loaded with intuitive controls that let you manage media, navigation, and driving modes without taking your eyes off the road. Behind it, a fully digital instrument cluster delivers crisp, customizable information, from speed and fuel economy to navigation maps and safety alerts. The center console is dominated by a large, high-resolution infotainment display that responds as quickly as your smartphone. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the sound system fills the cabin with rich, immersive audio. Below the screen, touch-sensitive climate controls keep the layout clean while providing easy access to temperature settings. The gear selector is modern and compact, freeing up space for storage and cup holders. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and generous storage compartments ensure the Omoda 5X meets the demands of a connected, on-the-go lifestyle. In the rear seats, passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, a rarity in vehicles with such a sporty roofline. The seats themselves are supportive and comfortable for long journeys, and the rear climate vents ensure everyone rides in comfort. The cargo area offers impressive space for a vehicle in this segment, with a flat load floor and split folding rear seats for added flexibility. Beneath the stylish exterior and premium interior lies the heart of the Omoda 5X, a responsive, efficient powertrain tuned for both city agility and highway confidence. The turbocharged engine delivers smooth, linear acceleration, making overtaking effortless and merging onto highways a breeze. The transmission shifts seamlessly, balancing performance with fuel efficiency. The chassis has been engineered to deliver a composed, stable ride, absorbing rough surfaces while maintaining sharp handling in corners. Safety is not just an afterthought here, it's built into the very DNA of the Omoda 5X. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system provides a clear, high-definition view around the vehicle, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces stress-free. Multiple airbags, a reinforced safety cell, and cutting-edge crash protection features round out a safety package designed to protect everyone inside. Driving the Omoda 5X is an experience that blends excitement with reassurance. In the city, it feels nimble and easy to control, slipping through traffic with confidence. On the open road, it transforms into a comfortable cruiser, the cabin staying quiet even at higher speeds. The suspension strikes a rare balance between sportiness and comfort, and the steering feels precise without being overly heavy. But beyond the specs and features, there's something intangible about this car. It has a presence that makes people take a second look. It's not just about transportation, it's about the feeling of owning something ahead of its time. For those who value design, technology, and performance in equal measure, the Omoda 5X delivers in ways you can only truly appreciate when you experience it firsthand. And now, to answer the question I asked at the start, how do you know when you've found a car that combines futuristic design, lifestyle-focused features, and thrilling performance? You know when it refuses to be just another car on the road. You know when it feels like an extension of yourself, enhancing every journey, whether it's a quick trip across town or a weekend escape. The 2023 Chery Omoda 5X is that car. It doesn't just fit into your life, it elevates it. So, if you've been searching for a vehicle that feels like it belongs not just in the present, but in the future, perhaps your search ends here. Because sometimes, the right car doesn't just take you where you need to go, it takes you where you've always wanted to be.